Yo, it's your boy Coach Mook, man. I'm back with another video. Whoa, this mic is crazy hot. But your boy back with another video. Listen, man, it is Friday, aka Flex Friday. This is probably one of the only times we're going to be using PrizePicks here, but it is what it is. But first things first, make sure you download Chalkboard and use code CoachMook to lock in that 100% deposit match, guys. We ain't talking 10, 15, 20, not even 50%. We're talking about a 100. So drop a little $100 in there. We'll give you $200 to play with. So, since we're speaking of play of the day, let's get into the play of the day. Let's do a recap first. Let's do a quick little recap. As you can see, last video we kept it simple and we cashed it, guys. We got Nakobe Dean. He got 10 tackles. Like I said yesterday, he goes nuts when it comes to this against Washington, and he did just that today, catching us 2 guys. And also, Jaden Daniels could not get past that Eagles defensive line. They had him on lock. Nakobe Dean being one of the guys to keep him down as well. So he stayed under 45.5, getting 18. Really love that play. So let's get into the play of the day. You did play today. Boom. Pascal Siakam under 11.5 AR. Then we also have Capella over 11.5 points and assists. I'm guessing he's going to get 11, 12 points there. We'll see. And James Harden, because he chalked us so bad last game, we're going to take him under on the 8.5 assists, guys. Let's get into it. Let me show you why I chose these props, fellas. Let's start with Siakam. Let me move the play of the day off. Y'all make sure y'all download Chalkboard and copy that in there. Boom. All right, let's look at this. Siakam. This is what I like about it. Yeah, he's 0% in the last 5, 20% in the last 10, but I really love that he's H2H is 0. He has never gone over this team. He gets very close but doesn't succeed. So, with this Miami defense, I really feel like they're going to put him on clamp stamps. You dig what I'm saying? And let me show you why. Let's go to power forward here. As you can see, it does look rough. And I think he is projected to go over, I want to say. But I really like this play. Let's look at the injuries just to see. Jimmy Butler is out, which means Pascal could have a little bit more leg room to move. But I don't see it happening today. I don't see it just yet. Not just yet. Now, I really like this play. If you want to fade this one, because this is probably the most risky play out of all of them. But again, I like it. So let's stick with it. All right, next. James Harden under 8.5 assists. All right, 80% in the last 5, 60% in the last 10, H2H 100%. He has never gone over. He stays at 7, and the way Harden does us, he's probably going to get to 7 and stay there too. I don't care. All right, now if we want to take a quick look at his against the key defense for the shooting guard, as you can see, they do allow a few assists as far as the shooting guard, but I don't think he's going to do it. And plus, the defense right here, the Clippers, the Houston, they're top 10 defensive team, so I really like that. All right, next, Capella over 11.5 PA. All right, let me show you why I like this play. I'm not a big fan of Atlanta. Well, I love the Hawks, but sometimes Capella be pissing me off, bro. Every time when I play him, he want to play like a sucker. But whatever. Last 10, 60%. Last 5, 60%. H2H is 67%. I really like this play because I really believe he's going to hit the points more than his assists. As you see, the last couple of games, he's going against Boston. He had 18 points, 20 points against Chicago. I think he's on a scoring spree right now, and I don't think nobody's going to be able to slow him down, especially against Washington. So I like it. I like this play. So as you guys know, today is Flex Friday. I will be sending I'm gonna max out my my flex today. I think they maxed me at 20, bro. They kept me, man. They used to have me way above that, but they maxed me out. I've been cashing out. So we're gonna run a full slate. So guys, if you're watching this video, I need you to do 2 favors to get this slip. Just 2. First things first, join the free Discord. The link is in the description. And also join the winnable. You can hop in the free winnable. You don't have to get the monthly to get this slip. You're going to get the 25x. I feel pretty good today. I really love today, and we're gonna have some fun. And also, I'm going to be sending the Mike Tyson free square. The Mike Tyson fight versus Jake Paul is tonight, so I will be sending that slip. I will tell you guys if Jake Paul beats Tyson, bro, I'm done with boxing. I'm done with it, bro. I ain't even finna stress myself up about it. I ain't going for it. And God, there's a lot of great assists. I'm really loving this Michael Porter. If you want to swap out Siakam, I would take Michael Porter over 1.5 assists. Matter of fact, I'm literally about to put that play in right now. So you guys might want to lock that in too, guys. So before we go, guys, I'm gonna show you the play today again. It's gonna be a great weekend. It's a lot of college football, NFL Sunday. A lot of those plays are going to go to my are going to go to my VIP, guys. Listen, it's only you know what the VIP is. Hop in the VIP, guys. It's very affordable. I'll tell you what. This is what I do. If you're watching this video right now, if you join my Winnable, which is $24.95 a month, and you don't see that return this weekend, I'll give you a free month. Deal? Shake on it? Bet. Let's get it. That looks so pause. Anywho, guys, like to play today and to do so, make sure you download Chalkboard and use code CoachMook. You see it right there to get a 100% deposit match. And you know what it is, man. It's your boy Coach Mook. I'm out of here.